It's gonna say bye to you, and like one day you need this bestie. Or no, this bestie needs you because it needs to be in your station and assist you with any crystal placement you might need. So applies one coat. You see that how I spread it out with the bristle. You don't want to using a lot because it's unless you're using the 3D cluster crystal or 3D pointed crystal, however you call that, is easier for you to call. Then you need more. But if you are doing a flat back, you don't need a whole lot. However, you don't want it using too little because too little is not going to adhere properly. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. So if you feel like your crystal running like crazy all over places, even like with the little smaller size, it means that you might use a little bit much. So in the next time you can try a little bit less, and in a couple times you're definitely going to get a hang of it. So no wipe top coat. Floating right on the top. I'm missing everyone. I love to be back with another tutorials. All right, so floating on the top, you see that my bristle is not spreading crazy because I do not want to drag all my condensed glue gels away. So that's what I want. And I will have some of my we might have to check to see we have voice. Anyone can hear me with the voice on? Can Mika hear? Can you hear? All right, so Instagram, sorry, we are going to go back in just a second, okay? Just come right back with us. We're gonna end the videos and then we are going to come right back. Oh no, just go to, no, to Weaver. There you go. Keep going. Just going. All right, so well, we're gonna wait for Instagram for just a second. Just give it a second. All right, talking. So we are going to is apply. Oh my God. Oh, I destroyed the web. So then now what happened if I hid in the web? Then all spider gonna run off that and they're gonna come and bit me. All right. Okay. Hi everyone. We're back again now. Sorry for the technical difficulty. I'm back right now. Look at that. The nails is so cool, easy, simple. We are going to do is stunning nails. So I did with just a few minutes ago, I did using the condensed glue gel with really thick density. And I did a layer of the no wipe top coat right on the top. All right. So now we are starting. What is spider we are going to do? I should ask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like them all. I'm thinking I have an eyes on the blue one, but what you think? This one Mika has it. Mika, can we see your nails for a second? Come on over. Sure. Mika's right here. Hey, Dom, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Let me see. Stay tuned. She's gonna do some live video for us. It's so fancy. Ooh. Okay, good. This one. All right. So let's absolutely. Can you send her a message?
Thank you, Lauren, for the badge.
Thank you, Lauren, for the badge. Yeah, just send a message to Tika. We'll be ready talking a little bit. Okay, I don't know which one is I want to do because I didn't have the answer. Okay, let's do. I have the red one on already. I'm going to do a different one. I am going to do, let's do this one. obsidians and red. Ah, this is beautiful spider. We're talking about that Dom is terrified of this spider, but me too. And guess what happened? So basically I'm using the Perfect Drop, which is, you can get it, it's like individual. You can get this one from Insta pack. It has 6 color, which is make sure is spider is so cool and stunning. All right, so I have the frame. If you remember earlier, I did cut and trim a lot of frame when I did my nails. So if your frame is not the length of the way you want, you can do your spider legs, longer, shorter, however you want. And I just happen that have this one, it cutting in different lengths that I want. All right, more. It's so simple, right? And you need to send a message. All right. Yeah, this is so, this is like sexy spider. It's not scared at all. It looks so adorable. All right, I missed one antler. Can I get one antler? Right here. Where's my frame? This one. The whole tray. Where did you move the whole tray there?
That's the tray.
No, there's another tray. You right there. Don't tap in my back anymore, okay? All right, so I'm gonna add some of a glow in the dark. Hey, I like it. I'm just using the glow in the darks from a glow in the dark crystal kits, just few of them, and more. All right, happy with this? We're going to go ahead and key for 60 seconds. Check, check, check. Is any? All right. So adjusting this, she's like, maybe she's like moving a little bit. All right.